for the bunny hunt? 1, 2, 3, go. Mickey, go pick up some eggs. Go, go, Mickey, go. Pick up the eggs, Mickey. Get egg, Mickey. Look, Mickey, pick it up. You're not gonna have any if you let Joe pick all of them. Joe, there's one over here in the snow. Mickey, pick up some of the egg, Mickey. Good.
I forget about that one.
Oh, there's more. Mickey, over here, Mickey, look. Mickey, look. Look, look, look. Get that one, Mickey. Don't let her get that one. Then you get that one.
Yay, stealing.
Oh, yeah. You got an egg, Mickey?
Oh, I got one.
Any more eggs? Guys, look. Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Joe, you're going to have to share some with Mickey. You got all the eggs? That Mickey. Mickey, look behind you. There's an egg right there. Look. Mickey, look.
Mommy, this one's squish.
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
Hey, I'm gonna pick those. No. And one over here.
Over there, you got more eggs, Joe? Yeah, Joe, you missed one there. Oh, good, Mickey, you got it. Good girl. Oh, I think you guys got all the eggs. That's awesome. Happy Easter, guys. Yeah.